There are many things that I hate about Windows 11, but the context menu is definitely one of the worst. I particularly hate this show more option button. Full context menu is missing in Windows 11, which was there in Windows 10 earlier. Let's fix this. Go to this website and download Nile Soft Shell. Open and run the setup file to install the app. Once done, click on Finish button and voila! That boring context menu with show more option is gone. Now you can have the full context menu as Windows 10 used to have earlier. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Cheers!